Inepu.com, quality videos when you need them.
Alright, this is lesson number 1 and it's all about understanding the workspace, interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's open up the program, write a Premiere, then you can click on it, then that's how it opens. This is the new version of 2017, and what we have to do first is to save. So once you arrive there, you simply choose where to save on your computer. Then let's create a new folder, so-called project 1. Let's call it project 1. Then you select the folder, meaning the project will be saved inside that folder. Alright, Adobe Premiere Pro is a timeline-based video editing app, and it has been developed by Adobe Systems, including many other softwares they developed, and it has been developed in 1991. So you see, it's a very old editing software out there, and if you want to know more about it, you can just go to help about Adobe Premiere Pro. Then you can get the whole information regarding the program. These are the 4 main tabs we will be using, one being source monitor, program monitor, and so many others. This is source monitor, this is program monitor, and this is the timeline where we'll be putting all the media. And what we have to bring as media, we have to import them right here. So there are so many ways to import media. You can right click there and import, or you can go to file and import, or Ctrl I. All of those can work similar way, and then you bring up the media into the project. Let's, for example, bring all of these all together by importing the whole folder, so-called media. If we import all of those, meaning inside the media folder we shall be having subfolders which are images. You can find another subfolder, music, and sample videos as another subfolder. This is really an advanced video editing software because it is used by many filmmakers, TV show editors, and so many other video producers. And again, it has been used while producing Avatar, Monsters, and many other movies, as you can check it out by your own. So now you have a chance to learn all of this just in front of you, so I hope you will be enjoying the whole course. Anyway, this just to show you how you will be viewing everything in your Adobe Premiere Pro when you get started. You can view the images. You simply click on it and it opens up in the source monitor. Once it opens, you can click on it and play it. Then this is the music. If you feel you want to use it, you drag it to the timeline. To the timeline. Then we will do it later, but let me show you first how you can play with each and every music and videos that are located into this folder. Then we will be making a very nice looking video at the end of this course, by which we will be adding some effects, we will be adding some text to make sure it really feels like a movie. So now at the end you can be editing a given film, or you can choose to be whoever you want regarding video editing. Then you can change everything the way this interface looks, so it's up to you to make it your own. You can resize, you can reframe it, and you can do everything you want to make sure it fits your preference. When you are here, you can increase each one of the tabs and make sure you are seeing it in the way you want. And you can even change the view from the list view, and then you can view the videos the way you want to see them. You can even magnify them, so it's up to you to make sure you are resizing each and everything. Then you can return back to list view, and as you can see, you can drag and drop into the timeline. For example, let's drag this one right there. So in the timeline, that's how you move out things here. You drag and drop it there. So thank you very much for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.
Inepu Team, let the world know.